All appointments for your colon hydrotherapy session must be booked and be prepaid in advance. Prior to booking your appointment, you are required to fill out a confidential pre-screening document to determine if you are a suitable candidate. The document can be filled out online or faxed and will be reviewed by our technicians. If you are accepted, you'll be notified by your preferred method of contact and an appointment date secured. 24 hours notice of cancellation is required. Unfortunately, we will have to charge a full fee if we are unable to fill your space. When you attend our clinic for the first time, we will conduct a private interview that explains the procedures and answer any questions to put you at ease. We prefer if you fasted a couple of hours prior to attending the session. You will be escorted to one of our attractive private therapy rooms. We encourage you to bring a favorite CD or reading material. You will need to remove your bottom clothing, for example your pants or a skirt only, and then position yourself comfortably. A privacy blanket is provided for you to cover your lower body. Next, you will break the seal on the single-use sterile rectal nozzle. You will connect the pencil-sized nozzle as shown earlier to the outlet hose and insert the lubricated end of the nozzle about 1 inch inside your bottom. No one else is in the room, and insertion is at your pace and is painless. When you are ready for the session, you will activate a remote switch to have a technician attend. After the technician leaves the room, you will push the flow switch at arm's length away to activate the gravity-fed water. This water flow can be stopped at any time by yourself or by sliding off the nozzle. The technician will leave at your request and will check back periodically or as you ring for their assistance. The temperature of the water is between 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. When the water begins to flow into your rectum, it is painless and almost unnoticeable until after several minutes, when enough water has reached the point of you feeling full. You will feel a natural urge to release your bowels or urinary tract, like you need to go right away. The fecal matter dislodged will flow freely with the water buildup and will pass out and around the pencil-sized nozzle and down into the concealed basin below you. The evacuated contents flows through the drain and through a clear tube. An angle mirror on the spa in front of you allows you to see the results of everything leaving your colon. The plumbing in the colon spa is connected to the clinic's plumbing system. Again, no pain is experienced. The procedure is odorless, except for the scented aromatherapy candles. After the first release, you will return to the restful state until minutes later, when the water again builds up, going further along your colon, dislodging more fecal matter. Once again, you will feel that climactic urge to go, and you will naturally release the dislodged contents. This cycle will repeat itself many times during the 35 to 45 minute session, during which time approximately 8 gallons of purified water has entered and irrigated your colon. Because there are 3 sections to the colon, in many instances it will originally require 2 or 3 visits before the entire colon is evacuated. The average adult has approximately 4 to 5 feet of colon. Our fast food North American diet and lifestyle and use of pesticides, preservatives, and steroids in our food harvesting and processing has contributed to years of buildup waste toxins that lodge in various sections of the colon. The number of visits will be determined by factors such as diet, lifestyle, age, gender, and genetic predisposition. At the end of the session, you will shut off the flow switch and use the personal shower sprayer to rinse your bottom before arising clean and dry. The blanket is removed and you are provided with hand towels for freshening up. All laundry is placed in a designated bin in the room. A private sink in the room is also available at your disposal to wash before you get dressed. The entire procedure is effortless, hygienic, and private, and simple for you to execute. After you leave the room, we follow a strict sanitizing procedure to fine-tune for the next client. All toiletry, towels, blankets, and the one-use rectal nozzle is removed. It has an acrylic finish that is easy to disinfect because all surfaces on the unit are non-porous, where bacteria cannot harbor or grow. Successive treatments could be done every few months as desired. Will provide you with a proactive measure to optimize the body's ability to regenerate and heal itself. We are confident that you will reap the benefits and spread the word of its effectiveness.